had a discussion with a friend this weekend, and we talked about a lot of things. Some being business, entrepreneurship, side hustle, financial literacy, everything to do with money, really. And one of the things that came up was business strategy and taxation and how these two marry each other. And I thought to myself, you know what? Maybe let me create a video where I can share this information with everyone else. Now, it is very important to understand that in order for your business to be successful, in order for your business to be sustainable and to scale, you need to understand the environment that your business operates in. Once you've understood the environment that your business operates in, you are able to use that to your benefit so that then your business can thrive within that environment. Every environment has rules and regulations. Just like anything else in life, same applies with business. There are rules and there are regulations. There are responsibilities and there are rights. And you can't run away. Tax is part of the game. We cannot run away from tax. We cannot hide from tax. So we need to find a way of normalizing this as part of the operations of the business. It should not be a finance discussion. It should not be two people within the department that understand this. This needs to be normalized the way we normalize sales discussions. It has an impact in the business. Now, let me give you an example within the business strategy and taxation. Do you know that if your business falls within a certain industry and it falls within a certain area, there are tax benefits within the legislation? Do you know that if your business is a small business, right, and your business has about 3 or more operational employees, that your business can get lower tax rates or maybe not even pay taxes at all? So let me give you an example in that. I'll give you 2 scenarios. Scenario number 1, using NPK, right? Scenario number 1, we have NPK who's owned by one person and it's being managed by one person. She is the staff within every department. So marketing, Patricia is doing. Accounting, Patricia is doing. Sales, Patricia is doing. The actual operations, Patricia is doing. Whatever it is, it's done by one person. And now we are scaling. I have seen that, okay, fine. Even though I'm doing everything, I do not have the capacity anymore because my clientele base is increasing. Therefore, I need to employ 3 more staff members. Now we're 4, okay? And because now we're 4, there is a tax benefit that I can get within tax legislation if my turnover is less than 20 million. But I don't know this because when I was doing my business strategy, I did not consider the tax element of it. Fast forward comes the time that I need to submit my tax return. I submit the tax return on the basis of a normal company and I pay 27% tax. Same scenario. Patricia does everything for NPK, decides she needs to scale. This time around, she does research on the tax and she finds out that there's something called small business corporation and her company qualifies, right? So now we're submitting the tax return and we find out that within the profit that we have made, we don't have to pay taxes. And now, instead of paying taxes that I didn't have to pay, I'm not paying the taxes at all, simply because I did not look at tax in isolation. I considered the tax element when I made the decisions of the business. When I look at it in isolation, employees and my income tax don't really go hand in hand, other than the fact that I need to subtract that as the employment salary that I'm paying. But in reality, they do come together. They do come together. Let me know, are you having business strategies for your business? And if you do you include the tax element of it? Do you actually scrutinize your transactions and see, are there tax benefits within these transactions or not? And if there's no tax benefit, how can I do the same transaction in a way that I do not have to pay so much taxes legally? That is, we're speaking about legality here, okay? How can we do that? Let me know. Let me know whether you have been, one, preparing a business strategy. If you have included tax within the business strategy, and how is that going for you? Put your comments below, and also please do share the video. Click like, subscribe, and click the notification button so that when we do post other videos, you will be notified when we talk about tax and finances for businesses. Until next time, bye.